Greetings, my people. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Biwarike Komstaka NZ. This channel aims to showcase to you the best of the best high premium silver collectible silver bullion coin struck by means from all around the world. So please do consider subscribing. In this edition, still in our North America edition, we are having a look at our Royal Canadian Mint products, and here we have the Pileated Woodpecker. This is the series called the Migratory Birds Convention. So we have various birds in this series, but I have chosen to showcase the Pileated Woodpecker, and we will also be showcasing to you the red maple, the famous maple leaf, as you all know. So let's dive in. This is the certificate of authenticity. This is a 2016 coin. I'm sure it's a half ounce. It's not up to a full ounce, if I'm not wrong. Let me take this open. It's a beautiful colored coin, don't get me wrong. It's really beautiful to behold. And for the obverse, you have Hamaj. Raided edges. All right, let's take a look at the red maple. The red maple, I think it's also a half ounce. If I'm not wrong, correct me in the comment section below. Certificate of authenticity. It has a mintage of 35,000. All right, let's dive in. Unfortunately, I can't get this to crack open, so we will try our best to show it through the capsule. Raided edges, the obverse Hamaj. And there you have it. If you have enjoyed what we have showcased for you today, please do kindly consider liking the channel, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And I will definitely see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.